Hey everyone, I'm Komal here. Welcome to my channel Corner Dream Creation. Today I'm going to show you that how to make a very beautiful explosion box for wedding anniversary. So let's get started. For this I will take here a red paper of 30 by 30 centimeter and crease at 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter from all the sides and fold it. Now I will take a rough paper of 10 by 10 centimeter and fold it diagonally from middle and draw a shape of heart and cut it. After cutting this heart shape cutout, take this cutout on our base and create a heart shape on all the four corners. And cut the extra paper with scissors. Then I will take a scale and scoring tool. With the help of this, I will create a crease on the middle of heart and fold it. Then I will take a 4 pattern paper of 9.8 by 9.8 centimeter and stick it. After this I will take a pattern paper of A4 size and fold the paper as shown in the video for creating hearts. We will need 4 hearts of same size and I will already crease the hearts from middle to fold it properly. I will take a pattern paper of 16 by 16 centimeter for creating a squash card. Cut this red paper diagonally and stick it on pattern paper. Then I will take a pattern paper of 7 by 7 centimeter and stick it on this squash card. I will also stick a one tag on it. I will also create one more squash card like this and stick it on pattern paper. For making envelope, I will take a red paper of 11 by 11 cm and make a middle point. I will also make one more envelope and stick on the base. Then I will stick 2 silver mirror strips on each side and also stick golden pearls at the end of envelopes. Now I will take a 4 red paper of 10 by 9 cm and fold all the papers from 1 cm and also cut these edges from sides. Then I will take a red paper of 9 by 9 cm and stick this all the papers using Fevicol. Then I will take a pattern paper of 16 by 8 cm and 12 by 6 cm and fold both the papers from middle. I will also stick one red glitter heart on it. In the same way, I will also create one more maze card and stick it on base. Now take a one pattern paper of 16 by 8 cm and mark at 4 cm from both the sides and crease it. Fold the paper from both the sides and again mark at 4 centimeter. Then I will take a compass and take a radius of 4 centimeter and draw a semicircle using that point. Cut the extra paper using scissors. Mark a 1 point in the center of this card and punch it using hole punch machine. Do this same process with the another card. Tie one ribbon between these holes. I am here taking black ribbon. You can also take another color of your choice. Stick both the cards on our base. Now stick this second layer on our base of first layer. Here I will take one tag of a couple and stick it using double-sided foam tape, and also I will take handwritten wedding anniversary sentiment and stick it using Fevicol. I will stick some golden half-cut pearls on the base randomly. For making lid of the second layer, I will take a black paper of 15.2 by 15.2 and leave 3 cm from all the sides. Then take one pattern paper of 8.5 by 8.5 cm and stick it on lead. And on this pattern paper, I will stick one tag sheet of 7.5 by 7 cm using double-sided foam tape. Take 4 pattern paper strips of 8.5 by 2.5 cm and stick it on the sides of lead. For creating the lid of first layer, I will take a black paper of 18.2 by 18.2 cm and leave 4 cm from all the sides. It's the same process for this lid also as we do before. Again, I will take 4 pattern paper strip of 9.5 by 3.5 cm and stick it on the sides of lid. Now here I will take one pattern paper of 9.5 by 9.5 cm and stick it on the lid. I will also take one more couple tag and stick it using double-sided foam tape and one handwritten sentiment, happy anniversary. I will also take 4 small glitter hearts here and stick it using glue. I am just closing my explosion box with lid and our explosion box for anniversary is ready. If you guys like this video, please press the like button and also share with your friends and family. You can also comment your video request in the comment section and I will try to put a tutorial on it. And if you like my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos. And guys, you will also follow me on Instagram as well.